Simon with Raptor Dynamic. We're here with the newest rendition of the Vector HD580, and there's a lot of exciting things, not just a new color, but a lot of new updates that make this drone that much better and more efficient. So the first things that were updated is the battery itself. While it looks the same at first glance, this is a significantly larger battery at 38 amp hours, which allows for a significantly improved flight time. This means you can fly and ferry further into your field. There's even potential to run multiple tanks at higher GPA for more efficiency. Again, the name of the game here is efficiency. And with that comes an updated version of the motor controller, ESC, and the motor itself. And the biggest difference here is serviceability. The motor and these components are all separate units and can be replaced separately without taking the entire drone apart. So we have a wiring harness that goes into the ESC with a waterproof cover that allows us to remove it easily. The harness that leads into the ESC from the batteries and the signal wire is separate as well. So in the event that you need to replace these components, they can be replaced independently, saving you money. Moving on, we have definitely some improved fit and finish with the quality of the propellers, a nice painted finish. On our spray system and our nozzles, we have an updated design with a simpler setup with a passive one-way valve versus active, along with an updated nozzle motor, which is more effective, more efficient, and also shares components with other aircraft. We still have our rear-facing and upward-facing radar, along with our omnidirectional radar on the front, our RTK antennas on the back. Our landing gear is now a slightly thicker wall material, making it stronger and less wobbly on the ground. And we still have things that we love. So our dual lid design that flips open or has a cap for quick fill is still here. It's still just as easy to remove the entire payload system if you want to swap over to the spreading system. And another point on the batteries I want to make, we'll take this one out, is we do have our larger cylindrical style connectors on the battery, and this is just a more rugged, more user-friendly system to use that's going to last longer. Also utilizes a faster 12 kilowatt charger from the outgoing 9 kilowatt charger, and having that compatibility between drones gives you the best of both worlds. You can run an HD580 with the really long battery life for those technical jobs with short runs and lots of terrain changes, and you can have your Series Air C31 for just eating acres in those big open fields like we have behind us. The other big changes are gonna be our software. So while the remote looks the same, it is running Series Air Applicator View software, which introduces just a ton more features and options that we can run on this drone, including, of course, like I said, not only can you utilize the same batteries and chargers, but you're now able to utilize the same software and planning capabilities that you get on Series Air. That means all your field data, all your recorded data is all combined into one system, making it that much easier and giving you an easy way to upgrade to a larger model if you need to in the future. And of course, just like our Series Air C31, the Vector HD580 has proven itself to be class leading in its spray pattern from independent studies like Steve Lee at Auburn Extension. The spray pattern on this is phenomenal. It's super consistent and we get very little off-target applications. The droplet size is very accurate and it just works well, and proven by having this drone in the field for well over a year now. This is just gets that much better with that bigger battery and all the little upgrades that we discussed. So definitely, if you're interested in learning more about this drone, you can find more information in the description below.